Hi guys, welcome back to Urban Treats. Today we are making garlicky cheesy potato puffs. These are ready in less than 20 minutes and they taste absolutely amazing. The ingredients as always are in the description. Let's get started. First step, let's peel our potatoes. Now that the potatoes are peeled, we're going to cut them into small pieces, grate them, and then we'll go to the next step. Next, we're going to grate the potatoes, and for that I'm going to use this fine grating attachment for my mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can of course also use one of these cheese graters. It will turn out just the same. Here we go. The potatoes have been grated, and before we go to the next step, we have to squeeze all the liquid out of them so we can add the other ingredients. Let's do it. The grated potatoes have been strained and we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. So first I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We'll add some pepper. And we're going to add 4 garlic cloves. I just love garlic, so we add a lot. If you want to add less, you can go with 2 or 3. We'll add in 4 large eggs. Okay. And mix it as good as you can so you get a nice batter. We'll add a little bit of flour just to give it a nice texture and to bring it all together. Not too much. I'm adding approximately a 1/4 cup of flour. Last but not least, let's fry the garlicky cheesy potato puffs. In a small frying pan, I've prepared some vegetable oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil as long as it doesn't add any flavor to your food. Now, I've heated this up to 175 degrees, and now we're just going to grab a little bit of the mixture, approximately the size of your palm, and then we form it into a patty, press it down, make it nice and round, and put it into the oil to fry. And the garlicky cheesy potato puffs are ready. Before we give them a try, as always, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe and click that bell button. Also, you will find the printable version of this recipe in the description along with all the ingredients. Now it's time for the taste test. This is really, really good. Love them. You gotta try them. See you next time.